All right, so here's our Chromebook view from the desk from the desktop here of the Chromebook of your Chromebook, and I want to go to Google Chrome. If you don't see it here, click here. You should see it. Google Chrome, okay, and you should be signed into your Google account. Make sure you're in Google when you go to Google Chrome. Put Google in, and right here, it should show that it's you, right? It should show your Google account. It should be your school account. You want to go to the apps, Google Apps, those dots right there. Click on that. And then you want to scroll down the Google Apps all the way to the bottom so you can get more from the G Suite Marketplace, because we're going to add the Photopea app to your Google list of apps. So I'm going to click here. And I'm going to go up to the search, and again, the G Suite Marketplace. Make sure you're there. And I'm going to put Photopea. Spell Photopea. And I'm going to hit the enter key to search for that. It's going to pull it up, right? And I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to click. And this is good. This little thing here says that when you save your files, it's going to Photopea will save them to your Google Drive, to your school account Google Drive, which is what we want. Okay, so I'm going to click install. Okay, and I'm going to click continue. I'm going to go through these screens here. You might need to choose your account again, so make sure you click on your school account here. Okay, so now we can go ahead and click done. And that finishes us with what we want to do here in the G Suite. But to get that started then, I'm going to go up here. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm not going to see it. That's because I've got to go to my Google Drive. So I'm going to go to Google Drive. All right, so this is your Google Drive. And I'm going to, when you're ready to do an assignment in Photopea, you're going to click New. And then you're going to go down here to More. And you're going to see it all the way at the bottom. You'll see Photopea. Click on that. It's just letting you know that this is an advanced photo editor that's free and online. This is the closest thing that I've been able to find to Photoshop. So we'll let it load. Let it load. And like a lot of this stuff takes a little bit of time, but it will load. There it is. Okay. So it's always going to open up with this new project screen. And this is generally where I'll pick up with the instructions on whatever assignment we're going to be using for Photopea. Okay. All right. So that concludes this. That concludes this training video. It was just to get it Photopea installed in your apps, your Google apps. Yay! Okay.